Hi, welcome to Call Me When It's Ready. Today we're going to be making a chili. At the beginning of this video, the chili beans that I have and everything have been soaked overnight, and so you can get the right consistency on there. So let's go in the kitchen and see what's going on, and let's finish this up. As you can see, all nice and plumped up, nice. Still a little hard, but that's okay. They'll cook to their consistency. So let's get the meat going and what have you. All right, we got tri-tip here, and it's been marinating in an applewood smoke marinade for quite a long time. Okay, we have the meats, we have onions, we have yellow and white onions, and also orange and yellow bell peppers. And now I'm going to go get some seasonings to season it up with a little bit. First off, we're going to do a little liquid smoke. That's not really a seasoning, but it smells really good. And I think maybe a tablespoon, maybe two of that. And then we're doing the original Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend. You can put more in there if you want. You can put jalapenos, anything you want in there. I have very sensitive roommates, so I can't make it too hot. Oh, and this is Chinese spice. Don't want to go overboard with this because it'll overpower everything. And some smoked Cajun seasoning. And then we got the white pepper. Oh, there it is. Now you just walk by, don't worry about it. Probably at this point, and everything, I'll probably speed it up anyways. Oh, yeah. You'll be in and out before you know it. Okay, now we're gonna let the chili and sit in the crock pot for about 2-3 hours on high, and I'll bring you the result of it when it's finished. See you then.